In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Home name. If you've ever wanted your Google Home app to feel a little more personal or organized, maybe switching home to apartment, studio, or your family's nickname, this quick guide will walk you through it clearly and confidently. First, open the Google Home app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that manages your home. If you have multiple accounts on your phone, double-check the profile icon in the top right so you're in the correct one. It helps to have a stable internet connection so your change syncs right away. Once the app is open, tap the settings icon, the little gear in the top right corner. This takes you into your home settings, where you can control how your home is labeled and organized. If you don't see the gear, try updating the app to the latest version, then reopen it. On the home settings screen, look for your current home name near the top. Tap the small side arrow right next to that name. This opens the section where you can adjust details about your home. If you manage more than one home, like a main residence and a vacation place, be sure you're editing the correct one by glancing at the name at the top before you proceed. Now, tap Home Nickname. This is the specific field that controls what your home is called across the app and in places where Google references your home. Keep in mind, this changes the name of the overall home, not individual devices like speakers or lights. Type the new name you'd like to use. Aim for something short, clear, and easy to say. Avoid long strings of special characters, as simpler names tend to work better with voice and search. When you're happy with it, tap Save. You should see the new name appear immediately, and it will sync to other devices and to anyone you've invited to your home. If the change doesn't show up right away, close and reopen the app. Or give it a minute to finish syncing. That's all there is to it. Open the Google Home app, go to Settings, tap the arrow next to your current home name, choose Home Nickname, enter your new name, and save. A quick rename can make your setup feel more organized and easier to navigate, especially if you manage multiple homes or share access with others. Thanks for watching and enjoy your freshly named Google Home.